Hey, so if VLC is lagging or stuttering on Windows, yeah, like videos keep freezing, frames drop, or playback feels super choppy, that can be really frustrating. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, close unnecessary background apps. Too many programs running can slow down video playback. Next, yeah, try another video file. This helps you figure out if the problem is the file or VLC itself. Now, go to VLC settings and enable hardware acceleration. This lets your GPU help with smoother playback. Yeah, if it's already enabled and still lagging, try turning it off. Sometimes it causes conflicts depending on your system. Now, change the video output module in VLC settings. Switching to DirectX or OpenGL can improve performance. Yeah, go into advanced settings and increase caching. This helps reduce buffering and stuttering. Now, disable post-processing effects. These can sometimes slow down playback on low-end PCs. Yeah, make sure VLC is updated. Older versions may not handle newer video formats smoothly. If nothing works, reinstall VLC. This resets corrupted settings that can cause lag or stuttering. So yeah, that's how you fix VLC lagging or stuttering on Windows. Most of the time, it's performance settings, hardware acceleration, or background apps. Try these steps and your videos should play smoothly again. Thanks for watching.